Ready to ditch your wallet and unlock the power of contactless payments with your American Express card? First, make sure you have the Google Pay app installed on your Android or iOS device. If not, head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download it now. Once installed, open the Google Pay app. You'll usually see a prompt right away to add a card. Look for a button that says Add a Card, Add a Payment Method, or something similar. Tap on that. Next, you'll be given the option to either manually enter your card details or scan your card using your phone's camera. Scanning is generally faster and easier. Position your Amex card within the frame on your screen, and the app should automatically detect the card number, expiration date, and card holder name. If the scan isn't perfect, just double-check all the pre-filled information is correct. If you chose to enter the details manually, carefully type in your American Express card number, expiration date, and your name as it appears on the card. Then, in the field provided, enter in your card CVV. That's the 3 or 4-digit security code on the back of your card. Now, you'll need to agree to American Express card issuer's terms and conditions. Read through them carefully and then tap Accept or Agree to continue. To verify your card, Google Pay will likely send you a one-time verification code. This usually comes via SMS message or email, depending on what you have set up with American Express. Retrieve the code and enter it into the Google Pay app when prompted. Congratulations! Your American Express card is now successfully added to Google Pay. You should see a confirmation message stating Ready to Pay or something similar. Now you can enjoy the convenience and security of using your Amex card with Google Pay for contactless payments everywhere that accepts it. Happy shopping!